Requirements of energy storage system for temperature control system. Temperature 15 degrees to 35 degrees. The relative humidity is between 5% and 95%, without condensation. Avoid local hot spots in the battery system. The temperature difference between cells should not exceed 5 degrees Celsius to avoid local hot spots. With the trend of mass storage systems and high battery rates, temperature controllers are becoming more and more important. Energy storage system. It needs to meet the discharge demand for a long time. It is suitable for energy storage on the side of new energy generation, arbitrage of peak valley price difference on the user side, etc. The future trend is that the project capacity will continue to expand. Under the trend of high installed capacity growth of wind power, solar power, and other new energy power generation projects and expansion of distribution and storage ratios, power generation side energy storage projects are expected to accelerate their growth and production capacity will also expand. Therefore, the increase in battery system capacity will increase the calorific value of the project, and the demand and importance of thermostats will increase accordingly.